A pleasant welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I'm Belle. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll be leaving a card for another video when you are finished with this one. So as if you haven't seen the title as yet, it will be my Christmas giveaway. And before I get into the video, I would like to thank everyone who participated in my giveaway. Yeah, it's really appreciated.
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. My ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Whenever my giveaways are going on, they will be announced on my socials. So please go and follow me on my socials. Yeah, be things are going on my socials. When I ask Christ. It is now time for my credit giveaway. So in this giveaway, I'll be picking 10 of my lucky subscribers who have been commenting on my videos, on my previous videos. But before we get into it, you have to listen keenly. So the names that are picked will be able to win once per giveaway. When the wheel has stopped on your name, the credit you have earned will be above your name. So once you win one time, you know no more time I win until my next giveaway. Once your name is called, if your name is called, you have to DM me on IG within a week to collect your credit. And the first 9 persons whose name has been picked will be winning $200 credit, and the last person that is left on the wheel will be winning a $500 credit. So as you can see, guys, my slots are filled, and it's now time to get on with my credit giveaway. So as I've said before, the first 9 person will receive $200 credit, and the last person will be receiving $500 credit. So it is now time for us to spin the wheel, and let's go. So Shay will be winning $200 credit. Let's give her an applause. You go, girl. So she outside. The second person is Ricarla. Congratulations. The third person is Tashna. Congratulations. Thank you for subscribing. And the fourth person is Azuddin. Hope I'm saying it correctly. If I'm not, please correct me in the comments. And the fifth person is you already picked. You already picked. So why is it going back on people that has already won? Them win already. Wheel, them win already. vlogs with whenever I write the last word, because but it will be on the screen. One was one. And congratulations, darling. The 6th person is Shy. Yeah, girl. You're going with dating. They win $200 credit. Let's see who is going to last for the $500 credit. The 7th one is what a piece of something. Terrian, you win $200 credit. Congratulations. So let's go for number 8. How much credit Terrian wants? So this is gonna be so hard. Total Gaming. Total Gaming. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment. So we have Blessed One and J.A. Hero. Let's see who's going to be the 9th person to receive $200 credit. We're going to receive $500 credit. Let's spin the wheel. So the 9th person is Blessed One. You have won $200 credit. Congratulations. But the winner of all time is J.A. Hero. Congratulations, darling. J.A., yeah. You will get $500 credit. Yeah. I can't believe this. So get one more look on the board. The person that is circled won $500 credit and everyone else won $200. So congratulations everyone. Thank you for commenting on my videos. Thank you for liking. Yes, some of my first commenters on my video. Thank you for the support thus far. And this is the end of the credit giveaways. I think I'm done yet. No, people, I just come. It's now time for the prize giveaway. The prize giveaway will be here on the screen that a lot of people has participated in, but you know only the winners can win. So I will be picking 3rd place, 2nd place, honorable place, and 1st place. Without further ado, let's get it started. So the 3rd place goes to Mary. Congratulations, darling. You have won a Bluetooth earphone. Yeah, goodbye, Mary. Thank you for participating in my giveaway. The 2nd place goes to Kashil. Yeah, congratulations, darling. You all have participated, and it's only 3 can win. Well, 4, because I'm counting the honorable place. Only 4 can win, and next time I hope you guys get to win more prizes. So Kashim will be winning a smartwatch. The honorable place goes to Rahim. Yeah, that's my little brother. I had to pick him because he made a Facebook account for himself. He liked my Facebook website. He liked all of the posts on it. He watched over my videos. Well, I mean, he watched my videos over and over, liked and commented. Yeah, him deserves something. So he will also be receiving a smartwatch. Congratulations, darling. The first place goes to Sasha Lee. Yeah. Good body, girl. Come for your present. Come for your makeup kit. Yeah, girl. Your work feet. She has single-handedly gave me over 100 subscribers, and I just have to say congratulations. She has supported me in my videos. Today now, wallop on my video them. Yeah, good body, Sasha Lee. The tickers, the nice thick black one. Yeah, I see that. Thank you, cousin, for everything you have done. Come for your makeup kit. Yeah, they are waiting for you. So guys, this is the end of my giveaway. Like, comment, share, subscribe. In the future I would like to do a bigger giveaway, but for now, because of the subscribers I have, the amount of subscribers, this is the limit I will be until further notice. So you know, one day in my next giveaway, you know, tell your family and your friends all about it. Yeah, I make them participate. I don't know alone for winning. I don't know alone for winning, but congratulations on everyone who have won. DM me on IG. All the winners should DM me on IG to claim their prizes. As I've said before, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm looking forward to reach 2,000 subscribers. So if you don't mind, tell your friends and your family. I'm always tell you, say, if you tell your bonnet man, if you tell your husband, I'm not found I give you know. I know about it. Yeah. So it's your girl Belle, and I am out.